What are some healthy, easy-to-make snacks? One of the easiest and on-the-go healthy snack would be peanut butter balls. Step 1. Mix 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 3-4 tablespoons of coconut powder, 20-25 crushed nuts, almonds, cashews, walnuts, in a bowl and make small balls of the mixture. Place the balls over a tray covered with butter paper/kitchen wrap. Refrigerate it for half an hour. Step 2. Melt dark compound/milk chocolate over a double boiler/microwave and coat the peanut butter balls with it. Place them on the tray again. Refrigerate till the chocolate is set, half an hour. This can be stored up to 12-16 days. I am totally a proponent of quick and easy to make healthy snacks. I pretty much have to eat constantly, so I love healthy choices that take little time to make. Here are some of my favorites. A good all-fruit salad. My fridge is filled to the brim with fruit, so I eat different fruits throughout the day. Whipping up a fruit salad, or just a bowl of fruit, has become second nature to me. I grab different types of fruit, usually strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, pineapple, bananas, and sometimes more exotic fruits like dragon fruit if I have it. Rinse what needs to be rinsed, chop it up and dump it in a bowl with a bit of honey, agave, or even yogurt. It's one of my favorite snacks. Another quick one to snag. I have many different flavors of hummus, so I can switch it up from time to time. I also love to dip cucumbers and pita chips in hummus too. Sometimes I'll even spread hummus on a wrap and add carrots, lettuce, cucumbers, and jicama slices. It makes a pretty fast and yummy wrap too. I will admit, I was hesitant to try these at first. But they somehow taste so much better than a normal smoothie. Basically, you whip up a normal smoothie, however you like, and pour it into a bowl. Top with fresh fruit, granola, seeds like chia or flax, nuts if you like, and even other things like fresh mint, coconut, or cacao nibs. The options on how to make these are as endless as the number of smoothies you can make. And they are delicious. Hope you enjoy some of these quick and healthy snack ideas.